Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mac. In this video, we're talking the Ridgeback belt. Now let's take a closer look at this 100% American-made belt. This is our Ridgeback belt. This is one of our best sellers. It's an absolutely beautiful belt, as you guys can see. So the cool thing about Macks Belts is everything in this belt is 100% made in the USA. So this is American thread. This is American leather for this particular belt. It's made in Missouri. This is American steel that's blast poured and cast in Ohio. And we use some really old machines to build this belt. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut to a video of some of those American-made machines in action. Check it out. This is the youngest machine in the crew. This is a 1984 automatic screw machine. This is what we built our front rail with. Check it out. At Macks Belts, the side rails for our buckles are blanked out on this 1950s Brown & Sharp automatic screw machine. Check it out. So this 1962 automatic screw machine was at one point getting sent to the scrap yard. At Macks Belts, we put it back to work, this time building screw posts for the toughest belt in the world. Check it out. So after our screws come off the Davenport, the secondary op is to slot them. We do this with a Brown & Sharp horizontal mill. This machine was made in the U.S.A. It's really old, you can't even find one pretty much. And then after we do that, we take the burr off. It's ready to go on a belt. Welcome back, guys. So yeah, the American-made difference is real. Macks Belts, we have 1,000 5-star reviews. We're 100% veteran owned and operated. And in this belt, there's 14 precision machine parts. So we build every single part ourselves. And that way we can ensure that you guys are getting only the best. So if you guys want to gear up with the toughest belt in the world, that puts your country and veterans and old machines back to work, then head to macksbelts.com and check out the Ridgeback belt. If you guys want to support a 100% American-made company that puts veterans and vintage machines back to work, then head to macksbelts.com and gear up with the toughest on earth. I look forward to going to work for you. Thank you for your time.